In this video, I'll show you how you can find the channel URL on YouTube. Now this is pretty simple, guys, so let's get right to it. First, you're gonna go to youtube.com, make sure you're logged into your account. From in here, you're gonna click on your icon up here, go to YouTube Studio, let it load for a little bit. Now once you're in here, on the left side, you should see a button that says customization. I'm gonna click on it. And from in here, you'll have the option for layout, branding, and basic info. Now click on the basic info one, scroll down a little bit, and you will see channel URL. Now this URL, if you copy and send it to someone, it will link it directly to a channel. And as you can see here, you can just take it, Control C, or click here to copy, and you can send it to whoever you wanna send it to. Now this is uniquely for your own channel, this right here, and that's basically how you can find it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.